sit here inside, waiting for something, trapped, like insects in the same pool, yet separated. Separated by different lives, different thoughts. So when we connect, we smile. Today it rained. I was overjoyed. Finally, I was one who was not alone. The constant rain inside my mind had translated and was now reaching several miles. But being close to someone can be terrifying. Opening up can make us shut down completely. Being on your own feels safer somehow. That's why I often live inside my rainy mind. I sit here and wait because I am terrified to leave a trace inside someone, to receive a mark that won't go away. It's so much easier to not realize. We have to be careful with who we decide to touch. We want to get out and find what we're looking for. Find something, someone to share our lives. We want someone to smile with so that we're not alone anymore. To do that, we have to open our windows. The question is, do I dare to open mine?